Hi everybody. As you know, we have been sharing information about our upcoming levy election that is taking place on November 7th. I wanted to come today and share with you a little bit about what is going to be on our levy. What do we get from passing a levy in our school district, and how important are those things to our students? So let's take a look at a couple of them. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight a couple of the areas on our levy, and I'm going to start with the very first one, which is our salaries, and that is the big blue chunk. If you kind of see that on your screen there, we have $3.3 million worth of salaries on this levy. That equates to 44 positions within our school district. Those are positions like teaching positions, but there are also some of our classified positions that help support some of the education in our classrooms. That would equate to about 1 or 2 positions per school being on this levy. So it affects every one of our schools, whether that's elementary, middle, or high school. Another chunk you'll see kind of right by that is the orange chunk, our supplemental salaries. And what that is those are salaries that we use to pay our extracurricular activities, what we use to pay coaches, or what we use to pay for directors, or any of those activities that our students do after school. Currently, right now, those come out of our general fund budget, and we are trying to move those onto our levy, so that would open up our general fund money so that we could be able to use that to support our teacher salaries. We want to be more competitive with our teacher salaries. That helps us be more competitive with our surrounding districts, and it helps us to recruit and retain teachers. All right, so one of the last things I'd like to highlight real quickly is athletic field turf. That is a question I've gotten several times. Why is athletic field turf needed within our district? There's several reasons for this. The first starts with the importance of extracurricular activities for our students. That is one of our strengths of our district, is our students continue to perform very well when it comes to athletics or activities. But we want to ensure that they have the best facilities to allow them to compete against other communities. And athletic field turf provides that. Secondly, it allows us to be able to use our fields more efficiently. We can have more sports on our fields and allow them to be used more often without having the wear and tear on them. That brings up the third reason why we can use it, because our fields do get worn out. They do experience a lot of use, and especially as the summer times when it gets hot, and keeping the grass watered, maintained, mowed, ensuring that the ground is level and there's not holes in our fields, all takes a lot of effort and work, and as the more that we use them, the more that wear and tear occurs. And athletic field turf would allow us to be able to have more sports and more activities be able to use them. Things like soccer, football, band, all could be on those fields without having to worry about wearing them down. Lastly is just other feedback I've gotten from our players and our coaches. When they go to other communities that have high quality facilities, they really enjoy performing on those. And we want to make sure our kids have that same opportunity. So field turf is something that we think would be really valuable for our students and really valuable for our community. So that wraps up some of the big items on our levy, but there are obviously some more. So please keep your eye out. We will be sharing more information as it comes out this week, and we'll be talking about our curriculum and how this levy will really support the instruction that's happening in our classrooms. We'll also talk about how this levy will support some of our athletic programs and help us maintain some of our tracks and things like that. And we'll have more information around the technology and how that technology is used in our classrooms to benefit our learning. Lastly, just a reminder of how much this levy will cost. We are asking for $14,780,000 for 2 years. An important note is to understand the state legislature and the tax relief bill that they passed last year. That money that's going to come to our district will be used to lower our overall tax burden by 20 cents per $1,000 of taxable value. Again, I appreciate your attention today, and keep an eye out for that information. If you have questions, I would recommend that you visit our website, find out more information there, and direct folks to our website. Also, if you have further questions that aren't answered on the website, we do have a spot for you to go ahead and ask some questions, and we'd be happy to get more information out to you. Thanks so much.